Well guys, we have the special edition color for the 2022 Toyota Tundra and it's called Solar Octane. The camera cannot even pick it up because this orange is just so bright and awesome. So let's get into it. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Under this studio light, this truck pops. Cannot wait to see this thing outside. But this is the 2022 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro in Solar Octane. Brand new color for Toyota. Kind of looks like Magma from the FJ, but it has, though, some nice pearl flake to it. So it's definitely a metallic-y paint, but kind of looks like a little bit of the FJ in some of it. Some darker areas of it, like in the cab right there, kind of looks like Inferno, but it is a very bold, in-your-face color, and it is a perfect special edition color for this Tundra to launch it. So this is the iForce Max engine in this truck. All TRD Pros are going to have the crazy hybrid motor. And then coming into the interior, it is thankfully not red like the other ones that were teased to us. This is a nice dark interior. As the designer for this interior said, he said this is Darth Vader's interior. So this whole truck is black on the inside. It looks really good, except for the headliner, that is white. But anyways, the whole truck is black. It does have the camo in the seats as well. Very nice interior with the red stitching too. Super solid truck. And man, the camera, like, look. And then, or light, I mean, it's just so hard to pick up. Coming into the front though, TRD Pro, as we saw in those teasers on the seat, definitely dig this black interior. The Toyota Heritage style right here on the dash. Freaking love that feature. And then just all the other goodies that we already know that the Tundra has, man. Nice 14-inch screen, dual climate control, all the little buttons right here for all the crawl control, all the multi-terrain select. This truck has it all. The Fox shocks as well. Very comfortable ride. The BBS wheels, Falcon Wild Peaks ATs, 285, 65, 18s. Very solid truck. As you sit in it too, this hood is just so commanding. It is a very nice truck to sit in. I'll show you guys that view in a second. And then coming down to the Heritage style grille, Toyota spelt out, the TRD LED lights right here. And then if you could tell too, right in there, they say TRD. So every single marker light has TRD in it. Every single side marker light has TRD in it. And then the nice headlights on this truck too. Obviously they flicker because of video cameras. They don't really pick it up that well, but nice LED lights in this truck. Black mirror caps, very cool. And then the black vinyl that goes here. They said that this was on the way, but I actually kind of like it without it in the front. So if you look at the passenger side has this little black accent piece. And then the driver's side doesn't, just because it wasn't installed, because these are all prototype trucks. But I actually kind of like it without it. Just kind of breaks it up a little bit. And then I like the black, how it's with the windows. But getting into the truck, and it is a ways to get up, an extra inch lift on this thing. Just imagine being behind the wheel of this thing, man. Very sweet hood. This screen's massive, especially for a Toyota product. You got the 12-inch gauge. What? Got the 12-inch gauge cluster right there. That's nice to know. All you do is just flick the blinker. It does 3 times. Very cool. And then, yeah, super nice interior. Back window goes down. Best feature about a Tundra, hands down. I mean, there's tons of great features, but that is a very cool one. And then you also have the panoramic moonroof in addition to that. So many cool features in this truck. It is based off the limited trim level. So everything that the Tundra Limited has in it as well. Heated, cooled seats, good, nice leather steering wheel, the Softex seats. I mean, very nice premium interior in this TRD Pro. Even down to the push button, just saying TRD on it. Nice new little shifter knob for this year. Very cool. Looks very nice with the red stitching on it as well. Red stitching on the steering wheel, and then also down here for the LED light bar to turn it on and off. Very nice. So let me know, guys, what do you think about this color? I think it looks really good, especially with all the little black accents that the truck has with it. even down to the dual tip TRD exhaust down here. Looks very awesome. Coming to the back as well, you can see the camo up top. TRD Pro now, instead of saying Tundra, TRD Pro is stamped into the back tailgate, but man, this color just looks so good. Coming underneath it, guys. Whoa, let's go under. The Fox shocks, the fully boxed frame, overly coated. This thing is dirty, so they've been using it, as you could tell. Very capable, very nice truck. Huge Fox shocks with the remote reservoirs as well. And then for the hybrid models, back here in this back seat, instead of having storage, all the stuff is up under the seat. So this is where all your hybrid batteries are stored, causing the rear seat to actually sit up quite a, I can't lower it from the side, causing the rear seat to actually just sit up ever so slightly, but still very nice back interior, especially with this Crew Max. You got tons and tons of space in the back of that thing. Coming down to the front shocks, see right there, TRD springs, your huge TRD sway bar, the Fox shocks as well, and then the aluminum skid plate down here too.
Pro, if it didn't have dirt on the bottom.
So as you can see, guys, they've definitely been using this prototype. Got mud all up on the skid plate. Really nice skid plate too. It goes all the way back, covers the differential, or covers the front differential and everything too. Very nice and thick, goes all the way back, and you can see on the cross member right back there too, all that mud up on it. So they've cleaned it up pretty good, but they've definitely been using it. Here's a shot again of the front shocks, axles, springs, nice Fox tuned TRD suspension. And then coming into the engine bay again, guys, we have that iForce Max motor that was teased with the hybrid setup as well, and all those orange cables that we saw are there as well for the whole hybrid system, going to the batteries, the motor, the hybrid component that's in between the transmission and the motor itself, going down up into that, and just look at this color. And then also we have the functional vents down here too in the bumper, going into each intake as well. So you got turb ski on this side, again with another functional vent to help this engine produce all the power that it does. So guys, if you're new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much for the support, and let me know what you guys think about this truck. All right, I'll catch you all in the next one.